You ever wonder what it felt like to invest like the top investors? And by top, I mean Warren Buffett. Well, now we can, and that's all thanks to fractional shares investing. If you don't know what fractional shares are, don't worry, about 2 weeks ago, I didn't know either. So click this video right here and I'll break it down for you. Super simple, the best to my knowledge, and I hope you like it. I hope you get into fractional shares. If you're wondering, Daniel, how are you gonna invest like Warren Buffett? What are you doing, something illegal? What are you doing to get this money? Well, don't worry guys, we're gonna be investing like Buffett, but with a twist. What's going on guys? My name is Daniel, and if you're new to my channel, I recently became obsessed with learning about stocks and thinking about retirement and what can I start doing little by little to start saving towards retirement or just save in general. And if you're new to the channel, then if you want to learn about stocks, you want to learn a little bit about investing, I learn and I share what I learned. So if you're into that kind of stuff, then click the subscribe button or the thumbs up button or drop a comment or whatever you like. All right, so first, to invest like Warren, I know we're already on first name basis. He just doesn't know it yet. Okay, so first, to invest like Warren Buffett, you will have to go in Google, do your research, and find out whatever the symbol is or the ticker's symbol is for whatever stocks he's invested on. And then you would just put that in whatever brokerage you're using. So I've seen a lot of YouTubers that use Simply Save Dividends. No, this video is not sponsored, but they use Simply Save Dividends to kind of see, if you're a dividend investor, then you kind of want to know what's the safest route to go when investing your money. And Simply Save Dividends, I've taken a liking to it because they break it down. They make it really simple for the average brand new investor like myself to understand. They used regular English. They don't use these words that I have no idea what it means, and I love that about them. So let me hop into Simply Save Dividends and show you guys what I'm talking about. So if we wanted to invest like Warren Buffett, we could go into Google, do a quick search, or like myself, I went to Simply Save Dividends. I had no idea what they had, but if you go into simplysavedividends.com, you go right here, you log in super quick, you go to ideas, you scroll down, and boom, here you have it. You go Buffett's portfolio. And if you wanted to know, here are the companies that he invests in, but these companies are the safest. That's the name, Simply Save Dividends. That's what it stands for. It's pretty safe, or according to them, it's pretty safe. Again, guys, I'm new to all this, so don't take my word for it. Do your research. So we will simply go in here, and we can see right here on the names, we can see all the companies that he's invested in. Right here, we'll go down. So you can see all the companies. And then if you want it to be a little bit more diverse, you can go right here where it says sector. You can go down. You can see the sector that he's invested in. All right. If you didn't want to spend a bunch of money and you wanted to have an idea how safely these stocks are, then you will simply go right here, dividend safety. Now 45, 50 is borderline. From what I've seen, for them to market a safe stock, it will have to be 60 and above. 60 to 100 is a safe stock. You can see the dividend growth all right here. Scroll down all the way, and there you have it. Now you have all the stocks that they invest in, right? Now, you don't have a ton of money, but you want to get started to invest just like he does. You want to invest into his portfolio or whatever he's invested in. Now I'm going to show you how. So this is the next step to invest like Warren Buffett. After you got all the names of all the stocks that he's invested in, you're simply going to open up your public app. Again, this is not sponsored by public either, but you could click the link below and get a free slice. All right, so we're going to go right here, QSR, Restaurants and Brand Internationals, QSR. And then let's say you want to invest, you go a different amount, $1. Well, there you go. You can go ahead and invest $1 into that stock. It doesn't have to be $1. It has to be whatever amount you feel comfortable with investing in. And then you will simply just repeat the whole process for every single stock that he owns. And then you could invest like Warren Buffett. It's that simple. And if you're into dividend savings, you're into dividend stocks, this will actually, if you're new, you can actually get into it and have an idea. Your money's not going to be as low, but there is a rumor out there. I don't know. I'm just simply saying what I hear, I'm just repeating what I hear, that if you have a lot of money, you can afford to hold on even when the market is low, that's one of his strategies. So if you could afford it, just invest into companies like this. They're pretty safe. Don't follow my advice. Just talk to a professional. And more than likely, your money, you're not going to be losing that much money. All right. So this is just a quick tip. I thought it would be pretty cool to show you guys this because I didn't know I could do it. I didn't know it would be that simple. But as you guys can see, the process is super simple, super easy to copy his portfolio. And if you want to invest like Buffett, now you know. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. This is a quick one, super simple. Like I said, I thought it would be pretty cool to make this kind of video, because when you get into stocks, like the first name you hear is Warren Buffett. Well, everybody wants to know, or at least I was intrigued by what does his portfolio look like? What does he invest in? Is it safe? Is it high yield? Do I get a huge return? Like, what does it take? How much money? But as I just showed you, with fractional shares and a little help from Google or Simply Safe Dividends, you can find out exactly what he invests in. You can put your money into it and go to sleep safe. All right, guys, thank you again for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Click the thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Thank you so much.